Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. Dishwashers have an upper dish rack that has a rail system. If this rail is bent, damaged, or rusted, then it's best to install a new one. In this episode, I'll show you how. Thank you to Frigidaire for sponsoring this video. Let's begin. Keep in mind, there is some variation between models, and not all dishwashers will have the same parts. You can enter your model number on the Reliable Parts website. This will bring up a model breakdown with the exact replacement parts listed on the side. If your model has wall-mounted rollers, then the rail will slide out between these wheels. In other models, the dish rack has more than one set of wheels which holds the rail in between. Inside the rail is a smaller roller which lets it slide forward. Removing the top rack is fairly simple. On the rails are end caps. Press down on the tabs to release the caps. Pull the rack forward until the rails are fully extended. Now remove the dish rack. To remove the rail, you'll have to release the clip at the back. Now slide the rail out. It's best to remember which side was facing in, as some rails are not symmetrical. Align the rail and push it into place. Now replace the clips at the back. Align the dish rack onto the rail and slide it forward. Now replace the end caps. These will snap into place. If you found this episode helpful, then subscribe to our channel. And when you need a replacement part, you can get it online or in one of our Reliable Parts locations. Thanks for watching.